Hello students, how are you? I think that you all are very fine and enjoying with the online studies. Let us see students, in previous video we have discussed about the mitochondria. In this video we will discuss about a very important plastid. Students, as we know that plastid is a type of cell organelle that is found in case of plants only. It is not found in animal cell. It is found only in plant cell. And first time it was introduced by a scientist, and his name was Haeckel. I have mentioned here Haeckel in 1866. This Plastid is known as the kitchen of cell. Let us see students, I have mentioned this plastid is known as kitchen of cell. As mitochondria, we have studied mitochondria that it is semi-autonomous body. It has its own genetic material. Like mitochondria, plastid is also a type of cell organelle which is a semi-autonomous body which has its own genetic material. Means we can say that it has the DNA and RNA of its own. Simply we can say that it has its own genetic material. Students, if we will see about the plastid, then this plastid are a double membrane envelope which store or synthesis various type of organic compounds. If we will see, then this plastid is of three types. One is leucoplast, other is chromoplast, and the third one is chloroplast. I have mentioned here leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplast. These are three types of plastids. This leucoplastid, colorless plastid, which store starch, protein, and lipids. Mostly, it is found in roots of plants. You have seen that roots are colorless. If you will cut the root, then it is colorless. This leucoplast is found in mostly in the roots of plant which store starch, protein and lipids. Due to its storage of starch, protein and lipids, it is also of different type like elaioplast, amyoplast and aleuroplast, which you will study in senior class. The second one is chromoplast. Students, this is chromoplast. This chromoplast is colorful plastid which contain the yellow, orange or red pigment. Mostly it is found in the, I have mentioned here, these are contain yellow, orange or red pigments. Mostly it is present in the petals of flower. Petals of flower, you have seen that the flower have sepals and petals. पंखुड़ियां जो होती हैं फूलों के, जो पंखुड़ी होती है, जो उसका रंगीन भाग होता है, उसे ही हम petals कहते हैं. Mostly we can say that this chromoplast is found in petals of flowers and fruits, and it helps in the pollination. A very important term, pollination, which you have studied in previous class in 7th and 8th. Pollination, in Hindi we say it paragan. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of a flower is known as pollination. This chromoplast is helpful in the pollination. Then how it is possible that this chromoplast is helpful in the pollination? Due to its colorful, it attracts the butterflies and other insects, due to which the pollen grains also transfer along with the butterflies from one flower to another flower. This is the reason, that's why it is helpful in the pollination. The third and very important type of plastid is chloroplast. Chloroplast, it is a very important. We know that this chloroplast is greenish plastid which have chlorophyll or which possess chlorophyll, and due to presence of chlorophyll, it is helpful in the formation of food due to presence of sunlight. We can say that this chloroplast is very important. It is present in all green parts of plants, mostly in the leaves of plant, and due to presence of this chloroplast, it helps in the photosynthesis. We can say photosynthesis, prakash sansaleshan, and we know that photosynthesis is a very important term for the plants, due to which they are categorized as autotrophs. Students, first of all, we will see the structure of chloroplast. A section view of chloroplast. I have drawn the structure here. Let us see. This is the section view of chloroplast. Students, let us see. It is a double membrane structure. This chloroplast is double membrane structure which have a semi-fluid matrix. This matrix is known as stroma. And this semi-fluid or stroma help in the synthesis of carbohydrate. In this stroma or matrix, there are about 50% of soluble protein. And you are seeing that different places there are pile-like structures. This is pile-like structure. This pile-like structure. This one pile, we can say here, like a coin. This one pile, it is called a granum. And when more than one granum are piled together, what am I saying? Suppose that you have taken a coin, then that coin-like structure is spherical oval structure is known as granum. And when more than one granum piled together, एक के ऊपर एक सिक्के को हम रखते जाएं तो एक छल्ला बन जाएगा. That pile structure, here you are seeing, this is piled structure of the granum, are called thylakoids. And these thylakoids have quantasome in which there are the chlorophyll, near about 230 to 250 chlorophyll are present, which help in the photosynthesis. And students, you are seeing that these thylakoids, all are the thylakoids. These thylakoids are connected with each other. This is known as stroma lamellae. We can say that this stroma lamellae is helpful to connect the thylakoids with each other. Let us see, students, this is the section view of chloroplast. If there is any problem, then you can comment to me. This is a very important type of plastid which help in the photosynthesis. And during photosynthesis, we know that plants prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophylls. Now, a question arises that what is the function of chloroplast? Students, we can say that the very most important function of this chloroplast is the photosynthesis. We know that what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process in which the plants prepare its own food in the presence of sunlight with the help of with the help of carbon dioxide and water. This photosynthesis is very important term. Then this photosynthesis also causes due to presence of this. In this chloroplast, there is a 70S type of ribosomes. So we will discuss about 70S and 80S type of ribosomes when we will study about the topic ribosomes. The functions of chloroplast, let us see. The first one is photosynthesis. We have studied about the photosynthesis. Energy transduction. During photosynthesis, there is the transduction of energy also. There is the consumption of carbon dioxide also. Students, we know that during photosynthesis, plant use carbon dioxide. At same time, they liberate the oxygen also. Then we can say that it also helpful in the liberation of oxygen. Students, during photosynthesis, plants prepare the carbohydrate or starch? We can say that it also help in the storage of starch and lipids. These are the topic which we have studied in the Plastid. The next topic that we have to study is vacuole. We will study in further video. Okay, thanks. One thing I want to say, students, that see these video and like it. If you have any problem, then you can write the comment in comment box. Subscribe it to know about the more videos. Okay, thanks.